I gotta tell you how lucky I am.
Yo, what's good everybody? 2 Minutes AJ, and we back with another banger. As y'all can see from the title, we got two crazy unboxing. Well, one of them is just crazy, as y'all can see from the box. If you know what this is, you know what came out like a week ago. They took forever to come in because of Memorial Day, but got lucky as fuck. Like, when these came out in the morning, I ain't even have enough in my spending account for them, and I really didn't think I was gonna get them, so I'm like, whatever. But I went ahead and made the transfer, bro. Put my phone down, came back, seen I had got them, so I was just like so happy, bro. Retail for $150. Got the SB Dunk Low, what the P Rise. Let's go ahead and just pull them out the box. I already got a look at them, so I do know what they look like, and they're crazy, bro. Want y'all see, get a look at them before I say how I feel about them. Here go the left shoe. The red and green, the Gucci looking demo materials is crazy though, not gonna lie. You got the elephant print on the toe, rainbow swoosh. You got the Gucci looking print over here. Just crazy. The details is crazy. The inside materials, super valid. Then you got the right shoe. Details, crazy. Honestly, prior to this, I only hit on the Snkrs app one time on release date, and that was these, which I'll get into later. And then the next week, I got these, bro, and I was like, what the hell? They come with two different laces. You got the neon laces, and you got red and yellow. And yeah, like I said, man, these, they're wild, bro. Honestly, I like a wild shoe, but these might just be too wild for me, bro. Like, I really don't know if I can see myself stepping out in them. I like this one, I like this shoe, but this one, too crazy for me. So for that reason, I'm gonna be flipping these. So if you need a size 10, man, let me know. This one, you got the gum sole. This one, you got the Gucci, Italia, Mexico, whatever. My two favorite colors. That shit cold though, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, these retail for $150, and now they going for the high, like around a band, I think. So can't go wrong with those. Yeah, bro, this is probably like the first unboxing on YouTube, so let y'all see them, you feel me, for real, up close and personal. But yeah, man, these bitches out my price range. So on to the next one. These I was crazy about too, low key, you feel me. Got the all white Columbia cocaine legend blue lows, you feel me. Just some light, you feel me, for the summer, some chill shoes. Switch it up on the all white forces. But yeah, man, just wanted to show y'all those right quick, you feel me, give y'all an update on what's going on. Feel me, I just got the COVID shot. My fucking shoulder is tender as hell, but we'll be alright. Let me know how y'all feel about these, bro. Like, for real, I'm not really sure. Like, I'll be looking at them and I'm like, damn, they're just wild as hell. But yeah, man, let me know how y'all feel about these, and let me know if y'all need these, man. I got y'all through the Cash App, however you want to do it, man. Let me know, man. Other than that, though, man, I pretty much wrapped this video up, man. Just wanted to check in, let y'all know I got hella other videos coming. I got me and Law writing another short that I want to get working on. Hella basketball videos, you feel me, per usual, still doing those. And I see y'all was fucking with the last one, and I really appreciate that. So, you know, it's just up from here, you feel me. Every video from here on out just gonna keep getting better and better every time, you know. I'm gonna just keep progressing. So if you're new to the channel, you know what I'm saying, subscribe, you feel me. If you like the video, please drop a like, comment, and share it with a friend, you feel me. And yeah, like I said, let me know how you feel about these. Till next time, y'all be easy. Peace.